What is the product formed when ethyl acetate reacts with 2 moles of methyl magnesium iodide? So, ethyl acetate. How do we write the structure of ethyl acetate? It is an ester. This alkanoate, the name is used for ester. So, if I take the compound acetic acid, it will look like this. CH3, C double bond O, OH is acetic acid. And if I replace this hydrogen by ethyl, this now became ethyl acetate. Okay, so we got the structure here. React it with 2 moles of methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide, which is nothing but our Grignard reagent of the format Rx. Let's see how an ester reacts with a Grignard reagent. So, first what will happen? I'll write my ester here, which in this case is ethyl acetate. Now, we add my first mole of methyl magnesium iodide. Now, we know that magnesium has an electropositive. It is electropositive, and therefore this methyl is partially electronegative. Out of the carbon and oxygen, we know that because oxygen is partially electronegative, carbon is positive. So therefore, opposites attract. So therefore, we have this CH3 which will be adding here, and MgI will be adding to oxygen. So my first step is CH3, C, single bond. When addition takes place, your pi bond is used up. So O, MgI, and then here you have OC2H5, and here we added one CH3. Okay, so normally also we get this compound when we react Grignard reagent with aldehydes or ketones. But the next step which follows is hydrolysis when we are reacting with aldehydes and ketones. Here hydrolysis is not seen. That is because MgI leaves with this group here, OC2H5 group. So therefore what will happen, this bond which was there here, it comes here. So therefore you get CH3, C double bond O, CH3 plus Mg, which is attached to I, is also attached to OC2H5. Okay, so we've got one ketone which is acetone. Now can this acetone react with another mole of Grignard reagent? So acetone can react with another mole of CH3MgI. Again the same thing, because this is plus and this is minus, and this is plus and this is minus, therefore we get CH3, COMgI, and CH3, and here we get CH3. Now hydrolysis occurs. So this reaction you have studied. How does Grignard reagent react with aldehydes and ketones? Hydrolysis occurs here, H here and OH here. So therefore product is CH3COH, CH3, CH3. Are you seeing we got a tertiary butyl alcohol? Byproduct here would be MgIOH. So the answer to this question is we will be getting T-butyl alcohol, option C.